Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down to a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me.
The topic is in first year of Sahyog, average of 6 content block orders a day, most in WhatsApp. So in this first full year, October 2025 to 2024 to 2025, the Sahyog portal of the Union Home Ministry issued 2,300 content blocking orders, averaging about 6 orders per day. That's what is written here. And then WhatsApp received the highest number of blocking orders, which is 1392. Then followed by Facebook, which received 255. Then YouTube. Then Instagram with 169 and YouTube with 176. And Telegram with 123. So this is what the highest number of blocking orders this has been received. Now together Meta platforms WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram accounted for over 78% of all blocking orders. Orders were issued through the India Cyber Crime Coordination Center and I4C and under the Home Ministry. Now blocking orders covers individual links, posts, entire accounts, often with multiple URLs per order. The period also includes heightened takedowns during the Operation Sindoor, May, which was in May 2025, which was aimed at curbing foreign origin misinformation and online propaganda as well, particularly from Pakistan-linked sources. Now the data was revealed through the RTI filed by the Indian Express. This is the RTI filed by the Indian Express, and it highlights the growing institutionalization of online content regularization in India. Now, the Sahyog portal is a centralized platform enabling law enforcement agencies to issue content takedown blocking requests to intermediaries. It operates within India's digital governance and cyber security framework. Now, the legal backing is IT 2000, IT Act 2000. So section 39A, which is the power to block public access to information, then IT rules 2021, intermediary guidelines and digital media ethics code, and blocking orders are executive actions, often confidential, raising transparency concerns. Then there is a role of I4C as well, Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center under MHA, focuses on cybercrime response, coordination, capacity building. Sahyog portal strengthens Indian agency coordination as well. And then there are debates about governments versus rights also. So there are pros that it tackles misinformation, cybercrime, national security threats, and the concerns are freedom of speech, Article 19(1)(a), due to process and judicial oversight and opacity of blocking orders. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of the topic. So it is highly relevant for civil services examination. Why? Because for GS paper 2, polity and governance, for GS paper 3, which is internal security, and for essay paper also, this topic becomes highly important.
And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.